Hello friends, a very welcome to Silk Zone. Today again I'm back here with a beautiful collections of Tassar silk sarees. In this video I'm going to tell about the Tassar silk sarees. Along with that I will tell about the gifts from the Silk Zone. So don't skip the video, watch the full video friends. You can see all these collections at www.silkzone.in. We have much more collection in our website, or else you can take the screenshot of this and you can share us in the WhatsApp. The link for the WhatsApp is given in the description. These sarees are very beautiful, very awesome collection with the silk mark tag. Pure Tassar silk sarees with a beautiful collections designs, and which is having a blouse pieces along with all the sarees. Silk Zone always give blouse pieces with each and every sarees, which are matching blouse. A very beautiful designs friend, very awesome collection. Just watch the full video to see all the designs one by one. I am showing the dummy wear at the other side. I will show you the table show also. These sarees are available in the stock, so as soon as the stock is over, just place the order and just grab this offer sarees and just collect the sarees. The cost of the sarees is just only 4,000 rupees. This kinds of beautiful sarees is going to be yours just at the cost of 4,000 rupees. Friends, the gift which I am talking about is the gift of the sarees. Means the person who is going to comment in our comment section is going to get the sarees at the free of cost. Friends, means just go to our website www.silkzone.in and just create your ID there and just comment the same name in our comment section of this YouTube, and a lucky customer is going to get a free of cost saree from the Silk Zone. You are going to get a soft silk saree from the Silk Zone. The saree which we are going to give you is given in the last. We are posting the picture, and the link for the gift sarees is given in the description. Means the saree which you will get in the gift are posted as the zero of cost rupees. You can place the order for this sarees after commenting. Just go and place the order at the free of cost 0 rupees sarees. In the COD you only need to pay shipping charges, and you can get this sarees at the free of cost. Means the free. Just go and click on the link, place the order for that sarees. Any of the lucky customer is going to get this sarees, means the soft silk sarees for the link sarees at the free of cost. So after placing the order, once the name is announced, the lucky customer will get the saree within 15 days. Friends, you can comment till Saturday, so and the Sunday we will announce the name. So you will having a full 1 week to comment. Just go create your ID and just comment, and on the basis of comment you can get a free of cost saree. So we will post in the YouTube the customer who will get the free of cost saree. The lucky customer will get the sarees, and his name or her name will be announced in the YouTube post video. And after getting the saree, I request you friends to just make a video of that saree, either by the face or without by the face. We will be posting that video and to show our customers that how the customers are giving and getting the gifts from us. Friends, there are 48 weeks in a year, so each and every week you can be our lucky customer. Anyone can get this gift. So keep commenting, and also don't forget to share to your friends. Just let them also, your friends and relative, know about this offer, know about this gift. So let them also comment, and let them also get the beautiful soft silk sarees at the free of cost. So after commenting at the every Sunday, we will post the lucky customer name in the post, and he or she will be getting a free of cost saree within 15 days. And 48 customers till 1 year, means this offer is we will be posting this for 1 year continuously. Every weekend a lucky customer will be getting a free sarees, soft silk sarees from us. So just it can be you, it can be your friends, it can be your any relatives. So tell them all, just share it to all your friends and relatives to know about this, and just all them to grab this offer. Any lucky customer will get this sarees at the free of cost. Means every Sunday a lucky customer is going to get this sarees. Means in a whole year 48 customer will get a free of cost saree from the Silk Zone. A very beautiful sarees, very awesome collection sarees. These sarees are I will describe about these sarees also like continuously. Just keep watching these videos. These are pure Tassar silk sarees with the silk mark tag, as the Silk Zone is silk mark certified. A beautiful sarees can be yours at the cost of 4,000 rupees. Along with that, you can be your lucky customer and also can get a free of cost sarees with this sarees also. You just only have to comment, and you have to go to our comment section. Just go to comment, and after creating the ID at our website, this sarees is going to be yours. Friends, these are very beautiful sarees. Don't forget to just watch the full video to see all our collections, and please do comment to get a new sarees. Now I will describe about the sarees. with a very beautiful collections of Tassar silk saree. As you can see in this table, how beautiful these sarees collections are. I'll show you one by one all the sarees. So first of all, let me tell you that all these sarees are available in our website. You can directly log on to www.silkzone.in and you can purchase there. We have much more collection there. In this video, I will show you few of our collections here. These are the very beautiful Tassar silk sarees with the block print designs, without zari borders and with zari borders also. These sarees are here with me. I will show you one by one here, friends. This is the one design of Tassar silk sarees. I will show you it by open. You can see the beautiful color saree with the red, tomato red color and the yellow color, like orangish yellowish color, and in the downside of the saree, as you can see, this beautiful triangular shape in black and white colors without zari border. Some of our customers demand for the without zari border. That's why we have introduced these kinds of sarees. I hope you love this, and definitely sure that once you will purchase these sarees, no, you are going to love this quality, because this is the best quality you are purchasing from Silk Zone. And comparing to market price, the price is very less only. It within the cost of the saree is just only 4,000 rupees. In 4,000 rupees you are going to have this saree with you, because if you go in market or some other places for these kinds of sarees, you are not going to get this sarees at this price, friends. I will show you some other designs also. Just have a look to this. This is a black saree which is having a very beautiful color combinations of pink and yellow color at the both side of the saree. As you can see, in the downside and the upside also it is made like this, and like leaves design is made in a black color, and whole body is in a black color. As you can see, all the sarees with the Silk Zone included the blouse. See, this is the pallu. How beautiful this pallu is. It is also having a same design as there in the border of the saree. You can see the border, and the saree is matching to the border, as it is a pink border, and you are having a same pinkish color border blouse piece with this sarees. I will show you the next one. See this block print Tassar silk sarees. The cost is just only 4,000 rupees. Very lightweight, very elegant design, and very beautiful color combinations. This is a grey color saree with a white color leaf kind design, butta kind design in all over the saree. You are having these kinds of sarees in all over the saree, and the border, as you can see, a very beautiful border in both side of the saree. And small temples are also made in the downside and the upside also. It is also including blouse. The blouse is here in the running color, and pallu I'll show you. A very beautiful pallu with a black and white and grey color combinations. These are the pure Tassar silk sarees, and you are going to have a silk mark tag with all these sarees, because we are silk mark certified, and silk mark certificate is also I'll show you at the end of this video. See this zigzag design in a Rama bluish, Rama green or dark bluish, you can tell it this color, which is having a zigzag design in a black color all over the saree, and border you can see this is yellow, red and black color combination in both sides of the saree. And I will show you the pallu, which is also very beautiful. You can see a very beautiful pallu color combinations design, and same color design is there as same in the border, and a black color blouse is here. You can see, as I told you, Silk Zone always gives blouse with each and every sarees. A very bright color, light color I'll show you. This is yellow and red one, a very beautiful color combinations, which is having a stripe linings over all the body, and you can see the border is also very beautiful with a zigzag design in the downside and in the upside, both side you can see. It is also including blouse piece. I'll show you that. This is the pallu, friends, and the blouse piece is plain yellow one, and this is the pallu design. As you can see, very beautiful, very lightweighted and very elegant design. In this Tassar silk sarees are very comfortable to wear, and these are very skin friendly, very beautiful color combinations. Just to see this, the one of the most beautiful design, friends. This is the methi color design, floral design at the downside of the saree, and border, as you can see, very beautiful border and very beautiful pallu design you can see, and all over the saree you can see these kinds of design are made, like a small, medium and long flowers designs. The whole body is in a white color, plain white color, which is having a methi color floral design all over the saree, and both side of the saree which is having a border in the methi color, plain running methi color blouse. And I will show you the pallu, friends, just a minute. The pallu is also plain and the blouse piece is also plain. As you can see, Blouse piece is plain and the pallu is also plain. A very beautiful color combination saree in a white color and a meaty color. I will show you one more sarees, ma'am, friends. The sarees which I am showing here are not having the zari borders. These are without zari borders. As I told you, some customers demanded for this kinds of saree, so only we have launched this kinds of sarees for our customers because they are the silk lovers from the silk zone. This is the pallu of this saree, and this is the blouse piece. As this color, the saree is in two color, orange and dark pink, as you can see. Both sides of the saree pink orange a combination is made to make your look very beautiful. One blue color saree I will show you, sky blue and the dark navy blue color mix, like a royal blue and dark blue color combine is made in a square designs, in a small striping square designs is made all over the saree, which is having a gray color border, and the same color is there for the pallu as well as for the blouse piece. The color combination and design is very beautiful, which will make you look more beautiful, friends. This is the other one, which is having a leaf kind floral design all over the saree in the white whole body. As you can see, the white full saree is a white, which is having a meaty color and a red color floral design, leaf kind floral design in the all over the saree, and both sides of the saree you will get this kinds of border, like this white color linings design border along with a orange color border. It is not having zari. Very beautiful, very lightweight and very comfortable to wear, and very attractive color and design these sarees are. This is the blouse piece, friends, and this is the pallu of this saree. I will show you one or two sarees more here with a zari border. This saree is with zari border, which is in a royal blue color, which is having this floral design in both sides of the saree. As you can see, this side also and this side also, it is having a design like this. And as you can see, this is the pure tassar sarees. These are the pure tassar threads, as you can see. If you want, as I have shown you in previous videos also, if you burn this, it will not stick. It will become like a powder. So this is the proof that how can you rectify this is a silk or not. See, this is the another saree with zari border. The previously I showed you all the sarees which are without zari border, and this both sarees are with zari border. This is in a red color saree, which red color whole body saree, which is having a white color leaf design all over there, and in the border side, in the both side, there is a zari border along with a gray color design and a leaf kind design in both sides of the saree, as you can see in the downside also. All the sarees with the silk zone are available in our website. You can log on to www.silkzone.in and you can purchase all these sarees there itself, and or else you can take the screenshot from this video and you can share us your screenshot in the WhatsApp. All the details for the WhatsApp number and contact number and any kinds of queries, you can directly contact us. All the details are given in the description. Just go through once to the description and check it out there. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook also, links are given there. These products are Tassar silk sarees, and the link of our website is also given in the description. You can directly go there and you can check it out for the Tassar silk's beautiful collection sarees. These sarees are very beautiful, friends, and thank you so much, friends, for watching my video, for giving your precious time to watch this video. We will love our customers demands as they are placing order in the silk zone as very fast, as they are loving the quality, as they are just a fan of the silk zone of this sarees. Most of our customers are demanding for this sarees every day, and thank you so much for your love and support till now. And I again request all you to keep watching our video, keep sharing, and please subscribe our channel also, and don't forget to press on the bell icon, so as soon as I'll bring this kinds of awesome sarees collections for you, you will have immediate notification and you can purchase from the silk zone as soon as the possible the latest collection. Thank you so much, friends. Bye.